Want to earn some money from YouTube without posting any videos? Need to earn some extra money from a side hustle, but you don't know the exact way, right? Don't worry. Now you will not only watch the video and enjoy it, but also you will be able to earn dollars from watching. But how? Don't just scroll, guys, also earn from watching. To do this, stick to the end of the video to understand the whole process and follow it so that you can easily earn money. Want to earn $1 for every 30-second video? Many people around the world are making money online by this method. There is proof of earning too, and they are sharing their earning proofs with each other. Not only $1, but you can make thousands of dollars by this method. This all will happen on a website which I will show you in a few seconds. Who said that watching YouTube videos is a total waste of time? You can now just watch them and relax while earning money. So what is the exact method of doing that? For this purpose, you will have to sign up on a website and go to your YouTube. Watch some videos and earn dollars in return. So first of all, you must have a YouTube account. Most people watch videos without having an account. So if you don't have one, I will tell you how to make one. It's simple. Just go to the YouTube main page. On the top right corner, click on Sign Up. It will ask you for an email. Now you might have a Gmail account, right? If you don't have one, then it will redirect you to make one account. Here you will provide the credentials like your name, a suitable username, and date of birth. After giving some information, you will be signed in to your Gmail account. Now go back to the YouTube main page and sign in. This time you will provide this particular email that you have made in the box, and you will be signed into YouTube. The first and the basic step of the whole process is completed now. Now the next thing that you must know before starting the whole procedure is how to withdraw the money once you have earned it. Many people join these money-making websites, and when it's time to withdraw their money, they don't know the exact way to do so. So before you start making money from these websites, you must know how to cash it out. There are many options to withdraw your money. These are PayPal, Skrill, Litecoin, AirTM, and others. But as you know, the easiest of them is PayPal because you can easily withdraw money from this account. PayPal is the choice of most people out there to withdraw money of any kind. PayPal is also accessible globally, and it is completely free. Now to withdraw money, you must have an account on PayPal. Open the PayPal website and sign up for an account. Click on the personal account and proceed. It will just take a few minutes, like 5 minutes or so, to make an account. Now to earn money, we will have to move to another website called picoworkers.com. This is a website or a marketplace where all of the freelancers around the world meet. This website will help you earn money in a variety of ways. The best thing is that you don't need advanced technical skills or even any experience to make money here. So go to pickworks.com and click on freelance and earn. You will be directed to a page like a dashboard where you can see how many people are earning how much money each day using this website. Interestingly, you can check the hourly earnings of the people. This website has people from all over the world like Kenya, Bangladesh, Pakistan, and Sri Lanka. You can clearly see from the dashboard that people are earning money in different amounts depending on how much time and energy they are giving to the website. Some are earning a few dollars, some in hundreds, and very few in thousands of dollars in a day. There's another interesting option on the website. It also shows you that the type of withdrawal system different people are using. You just cannot rely on this website for making money as a single source of income. Don't be that much lazy. This can be a money booster for you, but replying to it solely would be a very bad option. Sign up on this website. Enter your nickname and select your country. Next, you will select the option of a worker. After that, agree to the terms and conditions and sign up. Now you are done with the second basic step of making money online. The first was making an account for YouTube, and the second was signing up on this website. Now you can earn money easily. Now for this purpose, follow the next process very carefully. Now after making an account, you will be redirected to the main page or the dashboard of your account. Here you will be able to know how much money you are earning or will potentially earn in the future. So there are a lot of categories of work. Click on Video, Marketing, and Apply. Now you will see thousands of jobs to complete in this category. Click on any available job available. For example, one of the jobs is like this. Go to YouTube and search for specific keywords given in the job. You will have to type in these keywords manually and not copy-paste because the work will not be done in that case. After that, a lot of the videos will appear in front of you. Find the video with the specific thumbnail given in the job. After that, you will have to watch the video for 9 minutes at least. If you don't like the video, you can just leave the video muted for 9 or 10 minutes and do your own work in a while. You will have to like this video as well. You can open as many videos as you can in the tabs in the background and they will be counted. But the thing is, there are not a lot of YouTube video watching jobs on this website. There are a lot of other jobs to do here. You cannot just rely on these jobs of watching YouTube videos. If you want to make a lot of money from Pico workers, then you will have to do other jobs as well. It's for your own benefit. Other jobs are also easy and don't need a lot of technical skills. These jobs are also like content engaging jobs. People just promote their content here and gain some views and presence on social media. There might be jobs like liking and commenting along with sharing Facebook posts. If you are a freelancer, then you can even provide different kinds of services related to social media here. As they say, don't rely on a single source of income. You must have multiple sources so that you are not out of money at any time in your life. There are other jobs like visiting a website and clicking on its blog post and going through them, or doing a specific number of clicks on that website. In some cases, there are jobs where they will ask you to make accounts on different social media and perform specific tasks. These jobs are like commenting on specific pages or pictures or posts. Also, they might ask you to open a specific video on the platforms and like that video along with commenting on it. There might be a very easy job of installing a specific app or software on your device. So these jobs are not like jobs that you need to perform a task that needs a high level of mathematical or computer knowledge. You just need to do some clicks and it's all done for you. So these are the micro jobs on which you can earn online. These are just simple clicks and not any programming or computer language that needs your mind to use some logic or anything like that. Even beginners can use these websites easily. There are other websites too providing a lot of jobs online. You just have to sign up and provide information. Connect your bank account like PayPal, start doing thousands of jobs and make money doing it. After that, withdraw your money whenever you feel to do so. So isn't it cool to make money with just a few clicks? In these times when everything is becoming expensive, you must earn some money by a side hustle which does not need any technical or high-tech skills. So are you going to use Pico workers for earning some extra money? Hope you have liked today's video. Thanks for watching.